Ever walk into that one room in the house that always feels 10 degrees warmer than everywhere else, no matter how hard the HVAC system works? It is usually the furthest bedroom from the main unit, and dealing with that weak trickle of air can drive anyone crazy. Now here is the thing, instead of tearing up the drywall to fix the ductwork, there are inline booster options like this sleek white register unit from AC Infinity, designed to pull that stubborn air right up and into the living space. When you pull it out of the box, the first thing that hits you is the build quality. It has got a heavy, premium anodized aluminum frame with crisp CNC machine details that make it look more like a piece of modern architectural hardware than a standard plastic HVAC vent. It feels remarkably solid in the hands, carrying a reassuring weight that tells you it is not built cheaply. Fitting it in is straightforward, provided you measured beforehand. Look, that is the catch with this specific model, as it strictly fits 4 by 10-inch duct openings down to the millimeter, so grabbing a tape measure before clicking order is non-negotiable. Once it drops flush into the floor or wall register hole, it practically disappears into a white-trimmed room, blending right into the baseboards or flooring without screaming utility equipment. Performance-wise, it packs dual 92mm fans that push roughly 130 cubic feet of minute airflow, which sounds technical, but in practice, it transforms a pathetic draft into a steady, noticeable breeze. What stands out, though, is the noise level, or rather the lack of it. At lower speeds, it hovers around 17 decibels, meaning it hums quietly enough to sleep right next to it without waking up to a jet engine sound. The brains behind the operation are just as impressive. It uses a smart programmable controller with 10 distinct speed levels that can automatically trigger based on heating or cooling thresholds, handy timers, and continuous cycles. For anyone who prefers messing with settings from the couch, connecting the device to the smartphone app via Bluetooth unlocks deeper climate data, scheduling, and remote adjustments without having to bend down to the floor. Now, it is not completely flawless. The white finish looks gorgeous out of the box, but it can show dust bunnies a bit quicker than darker grays or blacks, requiring a quick wipe every now and then to keep it looking pristine. Still, for sorting out a frustrating hot or cold spot in the bedroom, this clever little airflow booster delivers big results without making a racket.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.